With joy in your heart, let's get ready for today's pranayama practice. Gently sitting in a comfortable position, allowing yourself to place your palms facing upwards to receive the higher divine energy. Hands in chin mudra. And gently close your eyes. Allow yourself to take a deep breath in and exhale. Let it go. Deep breath in and breathe out. Let it go. One more together. Deep breath in and breathe out. Allow your mind to center itself. Quieten the mind by tuning in to your breath, noticing the gentle inflow and out-breath, allowing yourself to relax and come to a state of presence and peace. Today's pranayama practice will contain 3 stages. We'll begin with stage 1, Anuloma, viloma. Bring your hands into Nasika mudra and very gently close your right nostril, inhaling through the left. 2, 3, 4. Exhale through the right. 2, 3, 4. Inhale through the right. 2, 3, 4. Exhale through the left. 2, 3, 4. Keep going. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. 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 And relax. Back to a natural rhythm of your breath. Just relax. Feel the stillness and the silence. How is the breath affecting my mind? Just notice the subtle changes. Gliding into stage 2, Bhasrika Pranayama. Very gently bring your hands into a fist by the shoulders. You're going to be taking a forceful inhalation and a forceful exhalation. 20 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Just take a moment. Once again, feel the energies flowing freely. Relax. Let's glide into the final stage of today's practice with Bhramari Pranayama, the bumblebee breath. Very gently placing your thumb by the ears, index fingers above the eyebrows, middle finger by the eyes, ring finger by the nose, and the pinky finger just resting near the lips. We're going to be inhaling through the nose, and as you exhale, you'll be making the m sound like a bumblebee. Let's do this 10 times together. Deep breath in. Release the hands and relax. Spend a few moments in absolute silence, absolute stillness, absolute serenity. Absorbing these beautiful vibrations of peace and positivity. Just be with yourself. Couple of moments. And very gently, bring your hands to your heart center. Namaskara Mudra, prayer position. take a moment of gratitude for your practice today, thanking the divine and thanking yourself for showing up today, honoring your own divinity. Bow your head down, utmost gratitude and love within your heart. Rub your palms together, generate that energy. Give yourself a lovely massage on the forehead, the cheeks, in the upward direction, and anywhere else in the body that you feel needs that extra sense of love and attention. And looking at both your palms, gently opening up your eyes with a heightened experience of peace, calmness, and inner serenity. Namaste, everyone.